Ever spent 12 hours reconciling spreadsheets only to realize your forecast is already obsolete? Finance managers, controllers, and FP&A leads know the pain of static models that crumble under real world volatility. Our pack crushes these headaches with zero based budgeting framework templates that auto populate cost drivers, AI powered variance analysis dashboards that flag anomalies in real time, dynamic rolling forecast engines that adapt to shifting KPIs, and approval workflow automations that route exceptions to the right stakeholders. Imagine slashing manual work by 70% while boosting forecast accuracy and yes, even making your CFO smile before 10 a.m. Here's what's inside the budgeting and planning pack. Data preparation with smart chunking strategies for GL level granularity. Zero based budgeting framework setup with driver based modeling scaffolds. Automated variance analysis modules that benchmark against historical burn rates. Rolling forecast tools with scenario sliders for market volatility. Multi-stage approval workflows integrated with Slack and Teams notifications. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your new financial GPS. Installing the budgeting and planning pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add budgeting-planning-pack. That's it. You'll download the entire workflow: ZBB templates, variance algorithms, forecast models, and approval logic. No config hell. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent FP&A, understanding terms like capacity-driven cost bases and bottom-up forecasting. We promise it's easier than explaining zero-based budgeting to your spreadsheet-dependent VP. Ready to turn financial chaos into precision? The command waits for no one.